back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make my broccoli and apple salad with pecans. Easy lang to siya. All you have to do is mix all the ingredients. Some carrots. I use one piece of apple, some red onion, and then mix it first before you put the other ingredients. It smells so good. So for the apple, I put a little bit of lemon juice para hindi siya magdarken yung color niya. Alright, and then I have some dried cranberry here. Let's put that in there too. Some raisins. And then some pecans. Okay. And then I have some more lemon juice here. I'm just gonna drizzle it all over the salad. And then I have here 2 spoonfuls of mayonnaise and 2 spoonfuls of sour cream. So ilalagay lang natin siya dito. Ito yung parang dressing natin. Just keep mixing it, guys, till you incorporate all the ingredients together. And then pag feeling nyo kulang pa yung mayonnaise tsaka sour cream na nilagay nyo, just put a little bit in there. I only use parang dalawang lang ng broccoli. Hindi marami. Ano ba yan? Dalawang crown yung ginamit ko. Tapos yung sa carrots naman, isa lang pero malaki siya. And then isang apple. And then yung sa yung onions ko, yung maliit lang na red onion, isa ang nilagay ko. Alright, so looks like ready na siya. Tingnan niyo. Like that. Guys, tapos na siya. This will be good kung ilalagay nyo siya sa fridge after nyo siyang gawin. So, yeah, pero we're not gonna put it in the fridge here. We're gonna eat it. We're gonna try, see if it's good, but I know it's good because I made this before already. It's so good. Sorry. Yung raisins tsaka dried cranberries, nakadagdag siya sa sweetness. Tapos yung apple din. So, it's good. Okay guys, nilagay ko na sa fridge yung natirang bowl ng salad ko. Mas masarap talaga siya pag i-chill mo muna. But, it's still good kahit kainin mo ng diretso. So, little disclaimer, I'm not really a cook or anything. I'm just trying recipes. So if you have suggestions for me to try na lutuin or subukan na recipe, just comment down below and let me know. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.